Alright, so in this example, after reading it, we see some very important information. Mainly that they give us gallons. Gallons is present throughout the problem. Plus it's in our rate, miles per gallons, MPG. So that tells me that I need to use distance equals rate times gallons because it gives us a gallon number. So that's our distance formula for gallons. So D equals RG. Our next step is going to be to identify our variables, our distance, our rate, and our gallons. Alright, so reading through the problem, we don't know the distance, but they give us two mileage numbers. So what we have to do is subtract those to find the actual distance traveled. So reading the odometer, we have 36,352.6 miles, and at the end of our trip, and 35,758.2 miles at the beginning of our trip. If we subtract those, we get the distance traveled by our car in that time. So plug those into your calculator, and you will get 594.4 miles traveled. That's our distance. Our rate, they tell us her car gets 25 miles per gallon. And then our gallons, that's a mystery to us. So that's what we're going to have to find out first before we can do anything. So to do that, we're going to plug in to our distance equals rate times gallon formula. And then we're going to solve for our gallons. So setting it up, we get D equals RG. That's easy enough. Okay, so we don't need anything else from up top, so let's just start writing. Distance equals rate times gallons. Distance was at 594.4 miles equals 25 miles per gallon times the gallons. To solve for our unknown, and it looks like a 6, let's change it back and let's write a better G. So we're going to divide by 25 to solve for G. So plugging 594.4 divided by 25 into my calculator, we get our gallons to be 23.77. So that's the gallons that we're going to use on this, we used on this trip. Now I need to find my fuel rate, or how much did I pay for each gallon of gas. So the total I paid was 73.62. Alright, then to find the dollar amount per gallon, we divide the cost by the gallons used. Alright, so remember our cost was that number from up top, which was, I think, 73, let's see, 73. So we're going to set up our formula, cost divided by a dollar amount. The dollar amount was 73.62, and our gallons, which we did that little work for in steps 1 through 3, was 23.776. So our cost per gallon, our dollar per gallon, sorry, is read that 73.62 divided by 23.776. Plugging that into our calculator real quick, 73.62 divided by 23.776 gives us a dollar per gallon of 3.09. So it costs $3.09 per gallon, but that 6.3 after means we're going to round up, so it's $3.10 per gallon.